I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Sagittarius, so welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So madaming nagtatanong, bakit dalawang channel? Yung una kasing channel, no, is Babaylan TV. So yun yung pinaka-mother, no, nitong channel na ito. And then after, ang aking market is, you know, international audiences. But then again, bigla akong naisip after a year or two, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng isang channel, you know, catered naman for Pinoy. So kaya pinanganak itong Timeless Tarot 111. O ayan, na-share ko na. Hopefully, no, matapos na itong tanong na ito. Ayan. So, Sagittarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sagittarius, Console, Four of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Parang ang daming beses ng away-bate. Ang daming beses ng sabihin nating trinay, no? Nag-try naman ayusin itong relationship. Parang naging routine na nga siguro itong on-off, no? May mga situation na uuwi ng bahay, biglang hindi magpapakita. Pwede rin itong naging routine yung iba block, unblock, block, unblock. Ang extreme ng relationship, kasi pag masaya, sobrang saya. Kapag talagang nag-away, delubyo, no? I feel like yung nakikita natin dito ng Little Tricksters and the Knight of Swords, madaming mga bago or pagbabago sa emotions, or baka madaling mabago ang emotions, so baka din yung temper, no? May anger, no? Siguro kailangan ng anger management, mabilis ma-trigger, kumbaga. Ang nakikita natin dito, mabilis din kasi magsalita. Hindi rapper, pero mabilis magsalita without filter, no? Ito yung gusto kong sabihin. So, ito yung dapat makarating, no? Parang wala akong pakialam kung masasaktan ka. Basta yun yung pakiramdam ko. And then yung isa naman, siguro si Nana, no? I'm sorry for the word. Kasi yung isa, sa kanya, yung emotion na kailangan ma-express, that what matters. So yung isa naman, sobra ka na sa sinasabi mo, no? Nakakasakit ka na. So kung ako itong palaging nagsasabi ng masasakit na salita, ang tingin ko naman doon sa partner ko is sensitive or Nana, no? Yung parang ganun lang, ganyan-ganyan. So, usually, no, nag-aaway because of, dahil siguro, or naaayawan, no? Dahil siguro nga matabil ang dila, no? Whether this is you or your person. The Four of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the judgment. So parang sinabi nitong person na ito, siguro tama na muna. No? Lumayo, hindi muna nagsalita. Actually, ayaw kausapin. Even to a point na nagtatago. No? Yun yung nakikita ko. Kasi with the Eight of Swords, baka kasi kahit alam kong nandyan ka, tumatawag ka, tinitingnan ko lang yung telepono, nagre-ring. Pero hindi ako sumasagot. With the Five of Cups, parang sinabi ngayon nito ni Nana, no? Parang I am or I was emotionally battered. Parang masyadong nasasakit yung mga naririnig kong salita. Hindi ko gusto and I feel like I wasted my time. So, ang nanghihinayang dito, yung nasaktan, no, emotionally, with the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. So ito namang masakit magsalita. Alam niya nang nakasakit siya. Parang ayaw naman mag-sorry. In fact, mas tinataas pa nito yung pride niya. In fact, edi kung ayaw mong bumalik, edi wag. Kung ayaw makipag-usap, edi wag. No? Pero deep inside, I feel like that's just defense mechanism. Kasi with the Nine of Swords, hindi man siya verbal, no? Hindi man niya verbal na sinasabi. Pero talagang with the Nine of Swords, nai-stress din siya. Hindi rin ito nakakapagtulog-tulog, no? Kakaalala, isip din sa person. Pero, I don't know what with this person is. Kasi kapag sinusuyo naman siya dati, lalo tong naiinis. So, para meron tong sariling timeline, no? Sariling timeline kasi, kung kailan ko gusto na makipagbate, doon ako makikipag-usap kahit kasalanan ko pa. Naku naman. With the Six of Wands and Sweet Happiness. So, literally, nakakita ko ng separation dito, physical form. No? Siguro umuwi, talagang pinaramdam na wala akong presensya, no? Bahala ka, mamiss mo ko. And I think na effective naman yung ginawa nung pagtatago. Kasi ngayon, I feel like yung nanakit, kapag siya mag-isa, walking down memory lane, iniisip yung mga sweet moments, not together, medyo naka-stress nga naman. Kasi totoo naman may emotion, no? Yun nga lang, hindi siya vocal, hindi niya sinasabi, hindi rin expressive. So, with the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups, siguro sabihin natin, nandito tayo sa pause ng connection, nag-iisip-isip, and I feel like siguro tama din na magkaroon muna ng separations for a while para humupa yung heightened emotions. Actually, nag-weigh down pa naman ito. Pero with the Nine of Cups, reconciliations pa rin naman ang ending. Kasi both of you, parang hindi rin naman kayo mabubuhay sa isa't isa. So I feel like, are you meant to be together, Tom and Jerry? Ayan. So, yeah, that's your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, no? Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live. So, pwede po kayong manood, sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius, Leo, Virgo, uh, Aries, Scorpio, Libra, Cancer. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just